Ever wondered why intermittent fasting is becoming the go-to choice for sustainable weight loss and improved health? It's not just a passing trend. According to a recent survey by the International Food Information Council, around 32 million adult Americans are actively following this lifestyle, surpassing even the popular keto and Mediterranean diet plans. Intermittent fasting is more than just an eating pattern. It's a lifestyle that brings about a multitude of benefits. Not only does it aid in sustainable weight loss, but it also increases your lifespan, drastically improves your health, sculpts your body, and brings peace of mind. That's right, there's much to gain from this simple lifestyle change, but to reap all these incredible benefits, there's one critical element to get right while on intermittent fasting. Can you guess what that is? Well, we're about to reveal it. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This doesn't just enhance weight loss, but also improves overall health when done correctly. And here's the key. What you eat during your eating windows is just as important as the fasting itself. According to credible research findings, consuming nutritious foods during these periods is crucial to ensure your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs for optimal functioning. And that's where we come in. Today we're going to reveal the 10 necessary foods to eat on intermittent fasting. These foods have been carefully selected to not only complement your fasting, but to amplify its effects many folds. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the vital knowledge needed to enhance your fasting journey, bringing you closer to the health and body you've always wanted. We're about to transform your fasting experience. So are you ready to take a deep dive into the world of intermittent fasting and discover the power foods that will take your health and weight loss results to the next level? Join us as we uncover these powerful foods and transform your fasting journey. Our first power food on the list is lean proteins. Lean proteins are the unsung heroes of a healthy diet, especially during intermittent fasting. They bring a bounty of benefits to the table, quite literally. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, eggs, and tofu are low in fat and high in essential nutrients. They provide the body with amino acids, the building blocks of life, which are necessary for repairing body tissues and maintaining a healthy immune system. But there's more. Lean proteins are also known for their role in weight loss. They have a high thermic effect, which means your body burns more calories digesting proteins than it does digesting carbs or fats. Plus, proteins keep you feeling full longer, reducing the temptation to snack between meals. So whether you're grilling up a chicken breast or scrambling some eggs, remember that lean proteins are your allies in your intermittent fasting journey. So include lean proteins in your diet for a successful fasting experience. Next up on our list is fish and other seafood. These underwater delights are more than just tasty, they're powerhouses of nutrition that can supercharge your intermittent fasting journey. Packed with lean proteins and essential omega-3 fatty acids, fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are known to alleviate inflammation, improve brain function, and support heart health. Now let's not forget about shellfish. Shrimp, mussels, and clams are low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals, helping you stay satiated without breaking your calorie bank. It's like hitting the nutrition jackpot. What's more, the high-quality proteins found in fish and seafood can help preserve your muscle mass during fasting periods, ensuring that the weight you lose is primarily from fat stores. So when you break your fast, consider a seafood dish. It's not just a meal, it's a strategic move towards your health and weight loss goals. Remember, seafood is your friend during intermittent fasting. Moving on to our next essential food, fruits with low sugar. These gems of nature are not only delicious, but they're also packed with essential nutrients and fiber, vital for optimal health. They offer a natural sweetness that satisfies your sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar levels. Think berries like strawberries and blackberries, or fruits such as peaches, apricots, and oranges. These low-sugar fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, helping your body fight off diseases and promote healthy skin. In the context of intermittent fasting, these fruits make a perfect snack during your eating window. They're low in calories, yet high in fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. This helps in curbing overeating, an essential factor in weight loss. Moreover, the water content in these fruits aids in hydration, a key aspect to keep in mind while fasting. So, the next time you crave something sweet, reach for these low-sugar fruits. Low-sugar fruits, a sweet addition to your fasting regimen. Vegetables, a must-have in any diet, especially when fasting. Bursting with essential nutrients, vegetables are low in calories and high in dietary fiber, making them a perfect choice during your eating windows. They keep you feeling full, reducing the temptation to binge on unhealthy snacks. Take broccoli, for example. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with vitamins C, K, and A, along with dietary fiber. It aids in digestion, supports heart health, and even contributes to bone health. Or consider spinach, a leafy green that is a great source of iron, calcium, and magnesium. It's a boon for your eyes, bones, and digestion. And let's not forget about bell peppers. They're a fun, colorful addition to any meal, rich in vitamins A and C, and packed with antioxidants. Remember, the key is variety. Different vegetables offer different health benefits, so mix it up. Make sure to pile up your plate with veggies in your eating windows. Next up, we have whole grains. Whole grains are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with fiber, protein, B vitamins, antioxidants, and trace minerals such as iron, zinc, copper, and magnesium. This nutrient-dense profile helps keep you satiated during your fasting periods, curbing those untimely hunger pangs. But the benefits don't stop at just keeping you full. The fiber in whole grains aids digestion, ensuring a smooth and efficient waste elimination process. This is key to maintaining a healthy weight and preventing bloating. Plus, the slow release of energy from these complex carbohydrates means your body stays fueled longer, ensuring you feel energetic and alert. Moreover, whole grains have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. So, incorporating whole grains into your eating window not only supports your weight loss journey, but also contributes significantly to your overall wellness. Whole grains, a wholesome choice for your fasting period. Beans and legumes, a powerhouse of nutrients. When it comes to intermittent fasting, these humble foods play a vital role. They are packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. This makes them a perfect choice for your eating window. Consider this. A cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber. That's about half of the daily fiber recommendation for women and 1/3 for men. And it's not just lentils. Black beans, chickpeas, and peas are all star players in the legume league. But why do these foods matter for intermittent fasting? Fiber and protein are the dynamic duo when it comes to feeling full and satisfied. They slow digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and helping to curb those pesky hunger pangs during your fasting periods. Moreover, the complex carbohydrates in beans and legumes provide a steady release of energy, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. This is key to maintaining your energy and focus while fasting. So, the next time you plan your meals for your eating window, remember to include these nutritional powerhouses. Beans and legumes, a nutrient-rich choice for your fasting journey. Healthy fats, an essential part of your fasting diet. Now you might be wondering, aren't fats supposed to be unhealthy? Well, not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts and seeds, as well as olive and coconut oils, are incredibly beneficial for your body. They provide energy, support cell growth, and also protect your organs. Plus, they help your body absorb vital nutrients and produce important hormones. When you're intermittent fasting, these fats can be especially important. They help you feel full and satisfied during your eating window, reducing the urge to snack during your fasting periods. Plus, they are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and packed with antioxidants. Remember, even though these fats are healthy, they're also calorie-dense. So, moderation is the key. Include a serving or two of these healthy fats in your meals during your eating window for a well-rounded diet. Healthy fats, a key player in your fasting regimen. Herbs and spices, the flavor boosters of your meals. Now, who doesn't love a dash of oregano on their pizza or a pinch of turmeric in their curry? But beyond adding a zing to your dishes, these little powerhouses are packed with health benefits too. When it comes to intermittent fasting, herbs and spices can be your best allies. They're virtually calorie-free, meaning they won't break your fast. But more than that, many have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can amplify the health benefits of your fast. Take cinnamon for instance. This fragrant spice can help stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping those hunger pangs at bay. Or turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory benefits, which can support your body during the fasting period. And remember, while they're enhancing your health, they're also making your meals more enjoyable. There's no shortage of herbs and spices to explore, so get creative and spice up your fasting routine. Herbs and spices, a flavorful addition to your fasting journey. Black coffee, a fasting-friendly beverage. When it comes to fasting, finding the right beverage that won't break your fast can be a challenge. Enter black coffee. It's not just a wake-up call for your senses, but also a powerhouse of beneficial compounds. It's rich in antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Plus, it contains no calories, making it a perfect choice during your fasting window. But that's not all. The caffeine in black coffee can boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. It also stimulates the nervous system, which sends direct signals to the fat cells to break down fat. Yes, you heard it right. Your daily cup of black coffee can actually help you lose weight. So, whether you're a coffee aficionado or someone who enjoys an occasional cup, black coffee can be a delightful companion for your fasting period. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar. This unassuming pantry staple is a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. It's rich in probiotics and acetic acid, which boost digestion and gut health. But that's just the start. Apple cider vinegar is also known to regulate blood sugar levels, keeping those midday cravings at bay, a vital aspect when you're fasting. And did you know? It even aids in weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and preventing overeating during your eating window. What's more, it's incredibly versatile. You can add it to your salads, mix it in your water, or even use it as a marinade. But remember, moderation is key. Start with small amounts and always dilute it to protect your teeth and stomach lining. So, next time you're in your kitchen, don't overlook this humble bottle. Apple cider vinegar, a potent ally in your fasting regimen. So, there you have it, the 10 necessary foods to eat while on intermittent fasting. We've journeyed through lean proteins, fish and other seafood, low-sugar fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans and legumes, healthy fats, herbs and spices, black coffee, and apple cider vinegar. Each of these foods packs a nutritional punch that complements your fasting and amplifies its effects many folds, enhancing weight loss and overall health. As we conclude, remember the power of these foods is in their combination. Use them to diversify your diet and ensure your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs. These foods can truly transform your fasting experience and bring you closer to the health and body you've always wanted. Remember to consult your health advisor before making any significant changes in your eating pattern. Do share your experiences and feedback with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shape Squad for more informative and useful videos related to overall health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and keep fasting.